The decision by joint head coach of the Sunshine Girls, Sasha Gay Henry, to resign is a surprise to many, but not to the Maverick. I was looking for this from the whole Tapper Whitmore salary dispute was dominating the news. My information at the time was that the figures being bandied about for Tapper's salary caught the attention of the Sunshine Girls camp, and with the argument being that netball is a more successful sport than football, so the netball coaches want a bigger piece of the pie. Well, story come to bumps. All of a sudden, we're hearing about this $75,000 a month salary, while her immediate predecessor, Mrs. Jermaine Allison McCracken, used to get more than 2 times that amount, and she never got the results Sasha Gay and company were getting. I mean, we're hearing some little things about it's not all about money, but it's how people are treated and blah, blah, blah. But trust me, it is about money. Big and serious though. If it's Tapper Whitmore and football money, the netball people using as a guide, I think them wrong. The dynamics are completely different. Football is a far bigger money spinner than netball. Plus, Tapper Whitmore, as the national coach, paid his dues. He carried a local-born team to the Gold Cup final. Tapper have Jamaica ranked in the top 50 of world football right now. Tapper earned the right to bluff. Sasha should have hold it and build up her stocks a little more before she bluff the resignation. Hold on. Yes. Yes, coach. No, man, just a call in your resignation on a bluff. All right. Yes, no bluff. It's no bluff. All right.